Alright, we are going toward the main desert. We are already late, so we are going fast so that we can reach on time for the camel ride and all, and see the awesome sunset. We can enjoy the view of our way to the desert, the main desert. At the sand dunes. Bye. Start.
Alright guys, so now we are in Jaisalmer and the safari has started.
Yo man!
Yeah, I'm not very comfortable with this movement of my body. It's a bad reminder of some not very good experience.
But
and some very good.
Martin,
Huh?
it looks very funny from behind.
I know, I just have to
Like
I know, right? But yeah, so anyway, so we are on 3 camels and we're on our way to the sand dunes. Apparently we have some tents there and some food and so on and so forth. This is good, this is nice and easy, it's relaxing, except that I don't know how you would do this if you're a woman. I cannot fathom that.
Alright.
Amrik.
Hi friends.
Say something.
I don't want to say anything. I'm just enjoying.
Alright, so on the first camel we have
It's
Pankaj
not
and Martin.
experience, because if you like sit in front, okay, so the position is something different, and all the thing which you have in front is a iron rod which you cannot digest actually, but it's okay, we have to manage with iron rods.
Alright, so on the first camel we have Popu and Martin.
Yo boy!
On the second camel I have me riding alone with my bag. On the third camel we have Amrik and Anna.
And the best part is he's sitting behind me, so he can do anything.
But any case,
This is
Amrik
the
will
best
enjoy
part for
this
him.
best part because he loves the company of Anna in any of the circumstances.
Okay, keep the documentary clean, please.
Alright, so we are moving on to the main desert. I think the name is Sam Desert. And
Oh, it's actually
Some. Alright, so it's Some Desert.
Yeah.
It's SAM or SOME Some?
It's spelled S-A-M, but
It doesn't.
but it's pronounced Sam.
Alright then, see you at the Some Desert. Bye. Alright, we have reached the sand dunes and it's almost sunset time.
Just in time
We are just in time of the sunset.
for the sunset.
All right, Martin. It's not office. हम सनसेट के समय पहुंच गए हैं, सूर्यास्त के समय पहुंच चुके हैं, और हमारे आगे चल रहा है मार्टिन और पंकज. And this is the hill climb on camel, and I might fall.
I'm leading his camel.
Yeah, and I don't know how I'm hanging on this camel, recording a video with a heavy bag on my back. See the beautiful sunset and the sand dunes. All right, so there are many more tourists over here. And I do need to mention that Martin is very much enjoying his back seat with the perfect movement he wants. I hope I can get the recording of the camel sitting down with Martin and Popo on it. The sunset is very beautiful. Alright, so Amrik and Annas are ready to get down. Alright. Amrik,
हमारी बैठते हुए वीडियो बनाई होवे.
Amrik, camera over to you. ये ले, ये ले, ये ले. The recording is on, so you can continue.
Ready है ना?
I'm already ready. I'm just waiting for you to get down.
So now our guide told us
Waiting
to
your
get
camel to
ready
get
because the camel will like sit down. बैठा दे
Check. मेरा लास्ट में बैठा ना. All right, now last is me.
Now Anurag's camel is going to
अनुराग
Sit
आगे
down.
I'm telling you man.
so let's see.
देखिए एकदम प्रेशर पड़ेगा आगे.
हाँ सर, go the third desert. Third desert देख आओ.
You feel that? यहाँ से क्या है आगे?
Good. Alright guys, so now we're on the sand dunes, finally. And we're taking a walk. The rest of our buddies are there. Wait!
And we have Anna, we have
Martin.
Popo and
देख
Amrik.
के चलना है, यहाँ पे इतना मोटा कीड़ा है ब्लैक कलर का.
नहीं, beetle, I don't know.
मम्मी वाला जो घुस जाता है बॉडी में.
Poor guy, man. Did you see that?
Yeah, he fell down.
No, he jumped.
He jumped. Who jumped?
I don't want to do that.
Who jumped?
We'll push Anna.
Right now, if you're going to push me, say sorry to your rum.
अन्ना यहाँ से चलाया.
Pankaj trying to climb somehow. Amrik taking a long cut just to be safe and not throwing. This is not snow.
मार्टिन यहाँ पे ना स्पाइडर्स भी हैं इतने बड़े जब ये शिट कर रहा था ना तो पैर में स्पाइडर
Big shoes. कहाँ जा रहे हो?
यार कोई बैग उठा लेना.
वो सही नहीं है.
Your leg.
हाँ जी.
Pankaj, back here. Pankaj,
हाँ.
पीछे पीछे.
So the sunset is finished and we are moving back to the camel ride so that we can proceed with the what was that dance and then
आगे बैठ रहा हूँ.
now Martin, where is Puktani? Still wearing his shoe.
निकल ही नहीं रही यार ये.
मार्टिन he's saying he's a child
Puktani trying to take out all the sand from his shoes. Last view of the sand dunes.
That's not a bag.
And I think this is the place where the
All dead.
water shooting happened. Now Popo and Martin going.
Come along, your turn.
एक रास्ते तू लिए एक रास्ते में
चलो.